creatives! So today I'm here with something very exciting. I'm doing a snail mail collaboration with creative Rowie here on YouTube, and I'm going to link her channel down below. We both sent snail mail to each other, which was really fun, and she unboxes my snail mail to her and I unbox her snail mail to me. So that's what I'm going to do today. After this, I believe we both have a process video that we will put up on the same time, but we still have to discuss that, so that will be on a later notice. But here is my mail I got from Rowie. She is amazing. She also lives here in the Netherlands, and I love her snail mail videos. It's so fun that I just subscribed to her, and then she asked me if I wanted to do a collaboration with her. So of course I said yes, duh. So this is the mail to me from her. I'm really excited. I haven't opened it yet. So let's do that. Oh, I'm super excited. I have my scissors here. I will take my scissors. I think that will make it a little bit easier to get a start. I'm always scared to rip something apart that shouldn't be ripped apart. So, woo, exciting! Exciting. Beautiful! Oh, look at that, guys! Oh my god! Okay, first, so this is a little envelope. Oh, look at this! Life is better in the sunshine. That is so true. And look at this trim. Super cute. Oh, Rowie, I love this. Oh, what? Look at this, guys! What? It pops open. What? Okay, we'll do that again. What? This is so cool. What? This is so cool. I love it. Rowie, this is amazing. You need to do a tutorial on this because I need to learn how to make this. Oh, this is so cool. I will do it again. So cool. I love it. And it's so summery and beautiful. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. So pretty. And then on the back it says, "You make life delicious." This is gorgeous. And then in here is a little envelope, and in here she has put some goodies. Oh wow, I love this envelope, by the way. Did I take everything out? I believe so. So she has put in some amazing die cuts. I will zoom in again a bit for you. She has put in some amazing die cuts. I love them. Oh, pretty. So pretty. I love these colors. They are gorgeous. Is this from the new Simple Stories that I saw on your channel, Rowie? Oh, this is her letter. And some washi. Oh, I love this washi. Look at the melons. Love this washi. It is amazing. Thank you so much, Rowie. And some more die cuts. Thank you so much. Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing. And this is her letter to me, so I will read that off camera, of course. But one more time, guys, this is amazing. I believe she has a process video on this. So if you want to learn this, you can go over to her channel. She also does happy planning and scrapbooking and tons of stuff. And it's really fun. And she has the most amazing cat. He's called Gerrit. And he is also a red cat. And he always is in her videos. And I love that. But I'm going to show you this one more time because I'm so excited about this. Look! It just pops open. So cool. So cool. Thank you so much, Rowie. Thank you so much. So I will leave a link to Rowie, her channel, down below, so you can check out what I made for her and her reaction to my mail. And I hope you all have a wonderful day and enjoy your time. And I will see you all next time. Bye!